The brain is the most complex organ in your body. It controls thought, memory, emotion, touch, motor skills, vision, breathing, temperature, hunger and more. Meaning without the brain we are nothing. The brain and spinal cords make up the central nervous system. The brain is made up of 60% fat and the other 40% is water, protein, carbohydrates and salts. But how does the brain work? The brain sends out and receives chemical and electrical signals throughout the human body. Different types of signals control different processes. For example, some signals makes you feel happy, and some signals makes you feel pain. To control all of this, the brain relies on billions of neurons. A neuron is an electric cell that communicates with other cells. And because it can communicate with other cells, it can tell them what to do and, for example, tell the body when it should feel pain. There are about 80 billion neurons in the human brain. The brain has three big parts. These parts are the cerebrum, brainstem and cerebellum. The cerebrum is located at the front of the brain. It is the largest part of the brain. It comprises gray matter and has white matter in the center. Gray matter is home to neural cell bodies, axon terminals, dendrites, and all nerve synapses. White matter contains nerve fibers, which are extensions of neurons. The cerebrum is control over all your movements and it also regulates temperature. Other areas of the cerebrum makes you able to speak, have judgment, think, have reasoning, problem solve, have emotions, be able to learn and much more. The cerebral cortex is the outer gray matter that covers the cerebrum. The cerebral cortex is about half of the brain's weight and has two hemispheres. One that controls the left side of your body and one that controls the right side of your body. The brainstem is located in the middle of the brain. And there are three parts that makes up the brainstem. These parts are the midbrain, pons and medulla. The midbrain is a super complex structure with different kinds of neuron clusters. The midbrain helps your hearing, movement, your responses and environmental change. The pons enables your tear production, chewing, blinking, focusing vision, balance, hearing and facial expressions. It is located between the midbrain and medulla. The medulla is the bottom of the brainstem and is responsible for your survival. It controls heart rhythm, breathing, blood flow, and oxygen and carbon dioxide levels. It is also responsible for your reflex activities such as sneezing, vomiting, coughing and swallowing. The cerebellum is located at the very back of the brain. Like the cerebral cortex, it also has two hemispheres. The outer part contains neurons and the inner part communicates with the cerebral cortex. The cerebellum helps maintain posture and it maybe has involvement in why we humans have addictions, autism and schizophrenia. That is going to be the end of this video. Please like, subscribe, comment on what I should make a video about and goodbye.